Hey everyone, Sergio with the Rideshare Guy. Welcome to another episode of Sergio's Diaries. Today I'm going to actually try out the GigU Profit Calculator. This is a tool that we have been trying to put together forever. A lot of drivers make the mistake between revenue, cash flow, and profits. GigU created this amazing calculator that could be used for and by everyone, Android or iOS users. The link for the profit calculator is in the show notes or the video notes. Please go check it out. It's free, obviously, but besides it's free, it's going to be a reality check. When you do accept all those $3-4 trips, and at the end of the day, you have $150 in 8 hours, after you take out your expenses, are you profitable? Or did you basically conduct a service that's free to your riders? And Uber doesn't care. Uber's taking their cut. Lyft is taking their cut. This is not public transportation. This is not public service, folks. You have expenses. I understand you have cash flow needs. I understand you have to put food on the table. But if you do accept every trip, this is nothing to do with cherry picking or not cherry picking. This is something to do with you running your rideshare operations as a business. This will definitely give you the reality check that you need, which is you're going to put all the parameters in, which I'm going to show you guys. I'm not sure if my car is in there, but I'll just create a profile with a car, maybe with my older car, and then we'll go on from there. So all I'm asking you guys is give it a try. This is basically looking in the mirror and saying, why am I doing this? Am I just doing this to wear out my car, wear out my body, take all this risk, doing all these $3, $4, $5 trips, and at the end of the day, I'm not even profitable? I mean, if you're a shop owner, if you were selling burgers, would you sell burgers under their cost price? No, you have expenses. You have rent. You have food cost. You have insurance cost. You have obviously utilities. You have all these things, right? You price it correctly. So Uber is pricing, Lyft is pricing trips for you guys. And you guys are just accepting it willy-nilly. And then at the end of the day, who made more money? Uber and Lyft made more money than you if you take your expenses out. So let's go take a look how this profit calculator works. All right, so this is GigU. Again, the link is going to be in the video notes. It's for Android and iOS users. I know the GigU app is only for Android at the moment, but this could be used by both phone owners like iOS or Android. So start making data-driven decisions. Most rideshare drivers focus on earnings, but profit is what actually makes you prosper. 100%. You're a business owner. Get your financial diagnostic and stop gambling with your income. All right, start free diagnosis. It takes about 3 minutes, folks. So, your car status, you own it. Let's go. Most of us have financed it, but I own it, but let's go with the financed. And then you click next. Please complete. So if you do make a mistake, it allows you to go back. So I made a mistake. Please complete the following required fields. Car brand is required. Car model is required. Car year is required. Okay, let's just go up. Car brand. My previous car was a Hyundai. Let's see. Yeah, all these cars are in here. So I'm sure your car is going to be in here. Hyundai. Model. It was Hyundai Santa Fe. It was 2021. License plate, you don't have to put in, it's optional, so we'll go next. Obviously, you have 3 choices. I own it, free and clear, so you don't have any payments. Financed, I'm going with finance because most of us are making payments on our cars. Lease or loan. Next, how many hours you work per day, right? So, okay, let's go 8 hours a day. Okay, 8 hours a day. We'll do 6 days a week. So, and how many miles a day do you drive? Right? You have this data. There's no ifs and buts about it. You have this data, folks. So let's go. I drove This should include all your dead miles, FYI, not just the trip miles. Let's go. I drove probably 150 miles a day. Weekly average earnings, all apps plus private rides. I wouldn't put private rides, but if you want to put it. So if I'm working 6 days a week, 8-hour shifts, 48 hours, let's say I'm grossing $25 an hour. That's 12, yeah, that's about $12.50, let's say. Let's say I'm grossing $12.50. Okay, earnings per mile gives you $1.40. Earnings per hour automatically calculates that you're 26. This is gross, folks. We'll go to the next page. Gasoline. Okay, my car gets 30 miles per gallon. Average gasoline per gallon is in my city is about $4.25. So my fuel cost per mile, it's automatically calculating, is 10 cents a mile. My weekly fuel cost is going to be $127.50. Why? Because I averaged 30 miles. I drove 150 miles a day times 6, 900 miles. So it figures I need 30 gallons times 425 is 127.5. All this work is done. All you have to do is put your parameters in. Next, maintenance. Amount, how often. Okay, well, you got to know, right? Okay, so let's say if you're a full-time driver, you're going to get an oil change probably every month, which is running about $100 now these days. So I'll put in 100 a month per month. Per month is correct. Insurance, what's your insurance amount, right? We'll have to have insurance, plus you may have rideshare insurance as well. So on my car, my insurance, let's say, is $150 a month. Taxes and fees. This is something people don't care for, but you can choose per month, per week. You can do all these things, right? So you don't have to be stuck per month. But mine is 100. I'm going to go with the month. Taxes. We don't pay any taxes because of the standard mileage deduction, right? So let's go with 500. That's just what it says. Okay, per year. Financing. Here we go. Amount. How much is your car note, including interest, obviously? And okay, on that car, mine was literally, it was like a ridiculous lease, which I turned back actually. But let's go with 300 a month. 350 a month. Okay. Let's go with 350 a month. Car wash. $30. No, $50, not week, a month. So we go to month. Okay, now you can add custom levels here, right? So here it is. Why are my weekly costs so high? Custom cost would be your cell phone, your other expenses. You can always do that, right? So that's my car per month. Oh my God. Taxes. What am I doing? It's $500 a year, not $5,000. So I caught the mistake, luckily. Okay. So at the moment I'm running 30 cents a mile per mile cost. Let's increase the taxes and go to 1,000. I don't pay any taxes when I do rideshare, but let's go to 1,000. Okay, so all right, so finish. Let's finish. This is it. But as I said, you can add custom costs, right? You can add your own custom costs, cell phone or cleaning fees or other things or other maintenance that you can put in. It's all going to calculate for you, right? So this is it. This is that. Let's go double check. Maintenance, $100 per month. Let's increase it to $150 per month. Okay. Insurance is about right. Taxes are about right. Financing is about right. Car wash is about right. Custom cost we don't have. Okay, so let's go click finish. Please complete the following required fields. Custom cost number 1 is required. No, I don't have any custom costs. Well, let's put it in. Let's turn that off though. Okay, you can turn it on or off. So I'm going to turn it off and close that. Finish. Alright. So I'm going to enter my email. Okay, you're just giving, they're not going to sell you anything. I can assure you folks. Just put it in. I'm going to put in Sergio at Sergio at rideshareguy.com. It's going to send me a code. Obviously, you have to click I accept this. I accept the terms of use and privacy. Send code. All right, because it just wants to make sure it's you, so it should send you an email. Let's see. Yep, I just got the email. My code is 800379. 800379. Verify. Creating my account. Okay, there we go. Weekly net profit $939.94, because those were my weekly daily goals. To hit that is to drive to net profit to gross $208.33. Earnings per mile I should not work. So what you can do is after that you can set your parameters that way. Okay, you can set your parameters in the GigU app. So you should set it at $1.40 a mile. Combined earnings per hour, you should set it for 26. You shouldn't accept anything, right? So there's a breakdown of your costs, weekly costs, weekly financing, insurance, car wash, taxes, fees, maintenance, all that good stuff. My cost per mile is 34 cents. Cost per hour is about 6 to 7. As I said, it is $6 to $7 an hour, folks, even if you don't do anything else. And then what it does is you click on this, it has a slider, right? So if this is my minimum, $208.33. So if I increase it to $250, see the numbers change, good, avoid, right? And then adjust your GigU cherry picker apps parameters, right? It's getting better and better. And you can use GigU app for 15 days. Click on here and then download the app. But this is something everybody should use. Everybody, unequivocally, okay? And the reason for that is this is your reality check. Most of us don't look to profitability. Most of us are just doing public service, accepting every single trip that comes our way. So with that said, please join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. Chris and I are looking forward to seeing you there for Show Me the Money Club. And please stay healthy and be safe out there.